Hey everyone, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, a sleek, energy-saving device that's shaking up home comfort. If you're looking to upgrade your thermostat game, stick around. There's a reason why you might want to check this one out. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced so special. This is a programmable Wi-Fi thermostat that works with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, so you can control it with your voice or through the Ecobee app. It's got a larger, vibrant touchscreen display that's easy to read and navigate. The built-in radar sensing is a game changer. It detects when you're home to optimize comfort and saves energy when you're away. It's also Energy Star certified, which means it's designed to cut down on your energy bills. Plus, it's compatible with most HVAC systems and comes with a power extender kit for easy DIY installation. If you want even more precision, you can pair it with Ecobee's SmartSensor to balance temperatures in specific rooms like your bedroom or living room. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, installation is straightforward. Most people can set it up themselves in about 30 minutes. The smart features, like radar sensing and Eco Plus mode, learn your routine to maximize comfort and savings. Customers love how it integrates seamlessly with Alexa and HomeKit for hands-free control. It's also got a sleek, modern design that looks great on any wall. On the downside, some users find the app a bit tricky to navigate at first, though it gets easier with time. Also, if your HVAC system isn't compatible, you might need a professional for setup, which could add to the cost. Lastly, the SmartSensor is sold separately, so that's an extra expense if you want room-specific temperature control. So, who's this thermostat for? If you love smart home tech, want to save on energy bills, and value convenience, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced is a fantastic choice. The pros, like its energy-saving features, easy install, and voice control, make it a no-brainer for most households. Unless you have a very old HVAC system or don't care for smart features, this thermostat delivers serious value. Ready to make your home smarter and more comfortable? Head over to Amazon using the link in the description to grab the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced at the best price. At Rick's Review Hub, we always hunt down the latest deals and special promotions, so click that link to check for any exclusive offers. If you found this review helpful, please give us a like, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the latest tech. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.